Hey Matt.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the GM YouTube channel.
I think I messed up there. I want to redo it.
Okay, hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are out at Caleb's shop again and we're going to be working on my friend Matt's GTI. So you guys have not seen this car on the channel yet, I don't think. Oh, you know what? You did on the Cars and Coffee Day. Anyway, he ordered an APR catback for his car and he's very excited to get it on the car. So fortunately we were able to come out here and use Caleb's shop and get this exhaust installed. So we're gonna go back there. I'll show you guys what we're working on. So guys, here's Matt. You guys have seen him before. He came out here with me to drop off the Civic for the first time before we did the turbo kit on the car. And we're back out here, like I said, working on a GTI. So here's the exhaust. This is everything that we're gonna be installing. And after looking under the car, it looks like it's gonna be a lot easier to install than I originally thought. All right, so this is the driver's door. And if we come under the car, I'm gonna show you guys all that we have to do. It's honestly, as long as these bolts come off really easily, all we have to do is remove this bolt and this bolt. Sorry, I guess they're nuts. Loosen this clamp, and then the entire stock catback. The first muffler, the mid pipe section, and the main muffler in the rear all comes out as one piece. It's all welded together. There's not a bunch of clamps. As long as these two nuts come off easily, this should be a pretty easy job to get this exhaust off. We're gonna get started, see how it goes. Dude, this thing's... So Matt's down there about to go Super Saiyan getting this exhaust bolt off.
Why can't this just break off already? You can actually see it's like coming off too.
Is it? It's moving?
It's moving. It's like maybe quarter inch up.
Yeah, keep going. So Matt is currently experiencing the fun part about working on cars. But anyway, I broke off the first exhaust bolt on the clamp, which is actually fine because APR gives you new clamps to use. So honestly, we're okay with breaking off these nuts and bolts right now. Is that it?
Yep.
Oh, sweet, it's already separated and everything.
Forearm central right here.
Alright guys, so we were behind the car, and something really nice about the GTI is that all of the exhaust hangers, the brackets just bolt to the car. So you can just unbolt the brackets in the entire catback. So Matt's just unbolting the last one. There's only 3. There's 2 on the muffler, 1 up in the mid pipe section, and the whole entire catback comes straight down. And then we can start installing the glorious new APR catback. Alright, so we got the entire catback out. And Matt's just about to like test fit the tips. That's gonna look pretty good. They'll be a little bit further back. They'll probably be like that, yeah. We can put them wherever we want, but it's gonna look stupid if they're sticking out too much.
These are matte.
That looks so much better than stock though. All right, so since the whole stock exhaust is out, of course we have to start the car.
Dude, let's just keep the exhaust off. We don't need it. We don't need the exhaust. Dude, that is like a nasty rumble.
Okay, Speed Racer. So guys, if you don't know, one trick to get hangers onto, well, the actual bushing onto the hanger, you spray it with a little bit of like silicone. You really should use silicone. We just started using PB Blaster because that's all that we have right now. But any kind of lube, and watch how easily this slides on. Boom, done. If you don't spray it, that's gonna be a pain in the butt.
Sham wow.
Sham wow. Okay guys, so in order to get this exhaust in, we have to use a reducer to connect to the stock exhaust because the stock exhaust is a little bit smaller. So I guess this isn't a reducer, this is actually Caleb, what's the opposite of a reducer?
Expander.
Expander?
I think it would just technically, I don't know. I mean, I think it would be a reducer except reversed, you know?
An anti-reducer.
An anti-reducer.
I think it's just called a reducer.
So anyway, we need to get this on to be able to use this APR exhaust with the stock downpipe. The only problem is we have to reuse the stock clamp for this part of the exhaust, and we broke the nuts off. So we have to go to Menards to get some new bolts. In the meantime, we're waiting for Jared to get here to take us there. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get everything else kind of like put in loosely. We're not gonna tighten anything down. We're just getting it set in loose so that everything's ready to go for when we get back. We can bolt it all up and be done pretty quickly actually. Okay, so we just got back from the store. I have Matt over there angle grinding the clamp that we need to reuse. We're trying to get the old studs out. We're gonna just drill some holes through it. And we got some nuts and bolts from Menards like I was saying. So as soon as that clamp is ready, I have all the rest of the exhaust put in underneath the car and ready to go. We're just waiting on that one clamp. So come and check this out for a second. So you guys can see the entire exhaust is already in and ready to go. The Y pipe's in, everything is ready. We just have to connect that reducer and that's it. Hello. Caleb's not here right now, so I'm enjoying the drift truck. Do you hear that?
I do. What was that?
That's probably me pumping brake fluid all over the ground. Wait, actually, let's see if I did.
You did.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh no! A lot?
It's still dripping.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Born ready. It's not as loud as I thought it was gonna be.
Me too.
Gonna be quiet at idle.
We're gonna need to rip it.
I think it should be louder.
Definitely has a nice deep tone.
It does.
Sounds like an old car.
It does. It's awesome.
Yeah. I'm not gonna rev it anymore. Yeah, it's so old.
It needs to go for a rip. Okay, this is fucking awesome.
Okay,
sorry.
so
You're gonna have to bleep that out.
no, I'm not. It's so much better.
I hear the reverberation. Very quiet.
So no drone, which is awesome. So like your initial impression when you first heard it?
I was let down, I'm not gonna
A little bit let down. So it wasn't as loud as you thought it was gonna be. But that's way better.
That is way better.
That is way better.
There's a little something at the end, did you hear that?
Mr. Matt, first mod, how do you feel?
Second mod. Feels great.
But yeah, that was actually a really fun install. That was not too difficult.
I'm very happy with it though.
Yeah, me too. Like it's definitely not as loud as Matt wanted it to be, but it sounds really good. Like the tone is awesome.
You know, it's the first step. Like, is anything you ever try gonna be what you want to do? Probably not.
Probably not.
That's how they get you
That's how they get you coming back for more, and that's how you learn what you really want. All right, guys, so welcome to this episode of Catch and Cook. Today we caught a stock GTI exhaust. We already filleted it up. We're about to beer batter and toss it on the frying pan, guys.
Big catch.
Catch of the day. Oh yeah, she's a fatty. All right, so final impressions. What are you thinking?
I think, like you said, it does have a nice note to it. It's growing on me. It does need the downpipe, but once the downpipe's here, I think I'm gonna be very happy.
I think we were both expecting it to be louder than it is. It's not loud at all. So if you're looking at the APR exhaust, this is the one that does not have the additional front muffler. It's not much louder than stock, but it does have a little bit deeper of a tone and it sounds a little bit better. So you can definitely hear it more for sure, but it's not loud by any means. So if you're looking for like a factory-esque exhaust that sounds better, look no further than APR.
I think they definitely hyped it up in the video too.
Yeah, we hyped it up hard.
No, they hyped it up in the APR video. I think they hyped it up more.
They always do. Like any company that's selling their exhaust is gonna make it sound like really appealing on their own website, 100%. But it definitely sounds good. Like it doesn't sound bad by any means. And if you paired this with like either the high flow cat or the catless downpipe, it sounds great. It would sound awesome.
Good second mod. Pricey, but good.
Boys, we just got home and Rob finished detailing the Civic, and oh my lord, I think this is the cleanest it's ever been in its whole life. Look at that. You can literally see like a reflection off of this thing. Don't point out my dents, dude. Come on. All right, maybe I have to film from this side. Yeah, that's better. Damn. Look at that. So guys, I just want to quickly end this video. We ended up just driving home. Matt loved the catback. He told me he's really excited to get a downpipe. He doesn't know when he's going to do it exactly, but maybe in a week or two. Who knows? He might honestly get a downpipe pretty soon. Once he does that, I think the GTI is going to sound really, really good. And I hope that this video helped you guys to kind of decide whether or not you do want to go APR. Personally, I think that there are probably better parts for the value. However, if you go with APR, you know that you're getting really good build quality. You just might not be getting the volume that you're looking for. There was someone in the parking lot next to me trying to drift a Porsche Panamera. So with all that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, please click that subscribe button. I make awesome content. You're gonna love it. And also, if you like this video, please click that thumbs up. It really does help me. Please click that button. And as I always say, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.